Welcome back. And so another viewer asked me to demonstrate using the fascia to move somebody with their trunk or with contacting different parts of the body. And so I'm going to do that with Alex here and just going to try to rotate him with touching the fascia in something other than the arms. You all are used to me demonstrating by touching the arms, connecting down to the feet, and then being able to move the person. Okay, this time you can touch anywhere because the fascia is anywhere. So let's say I'm going to grab him by the shoulders, which is a reach for me, grab by the shoulders, and then if I try to rotate him, I'm just going to try to rotate you physically, and I can't do it. Even though I'm trying to use a Tai Chi principle of keeping everything in alignment. But if I take the fascia, even through his clothing, and I get it, then I can rotate. Yeah. So what was the difference between those two examples?
I could resist you the first time, and I had no structure. It was just moving.
And what was my touch like on your body? Because a lot of people ask, well, what does this
It wasn't.
feel like?
Well, you mean the second time?
Yeah.
It wasn't much.
Right, so it's a light touch. Now, if I just have his skin and I try to move him, I'm going to slide, and that's not going to work. If I try to grab a hold, I've said this before in some other videos, but it doesn't hurt to, if I grab hold and I try to move him and use muscle, that doesn't work because I'm compressing that tensegrity. But if I am nice and relaxed myself and I song and I get into his fascia, even though he knows which way I'm going to go, I got it. Yeah. Yeah. It's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I think you have to practice it to gain confidence and believe in it. That's the thing, because at first I was doubting myself and that doesn't help. But once you know it's going to work, then it starts to work more readily for you. So you can touch anywhere on the body and catch the fascia and do what you want. So yeah, you okay if I do something? So I'm just going. He's trying to resist, but I'm song. Yeah, it's light touch. Now if I did it the wrong way, I'm going to go ahead and resist. Yeah. Now I do fascia.
No, yeah.
It's different. It's totally different, isn't it?
Different.
And you can grab at the hips. So somebody short like me, I need to learn how to use other parts of the body to get to. You can even do the leg, which I'm not going to do to him because of he's got a little bit of a precarious knee there. But you can do the leg, and I'll make a video and demonstrate that as well. So you basically can any place you can touch somebody and get a hold of their fascia and get it down to their feet. You can have an effect. As opposed to if I'm pushing, yeah. But it's just a different technique. So there it is. Right.
Okay.
Huh?
I'm okay.
I know, but you look surprised.
Yeah.
It is surprising, isn't
It
it?
is surprising.
Yeah. So I hope this was helpful, and if you have questions and comments, which I hope you do, it really helps to get those comments because then that helps guide me into what video I should make next for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next lesson.